Okay, mae'r fideo yma amdan arlunio wahanol fath o clustia o comics a clustia mwy realistic. So this video is about drawing ears that are more that are comical and also realistic. So there are lots of different types of ear shapes, from your Yoda kind of type ear to your more kind of cartoon ear. Some are detailed, some aren't. I think my favourite ear that I used to draw when I was younger was more like a question mark, which was from the Beano, and that used to have a kind of like a shape inside it, really. And ears generally are seen from the side, so they're sometimes like that. So you don't usually see the ear that well. Fel arfer sy'n weld y clust and that. But yeah, there's loads of different types of shapes. There's lots of different types of animal ears. So if you're ever stuck, just draw a C the other way around, and then an E inside it the other way around. Do it on the other side, like that. That's really simple here. Think about the question mark shape. Okay. So to draw a kind of a realistic ear, what I would suggest you do is, like I've said with the other videos, start off by studying a real ear. So either do it from a photograph or get a model. Okay, so I dechrau dwi'n just yn neud kind of llun rough yn gyntaf, just to cael y proportions iawn yn eu lle cywir. So I'm just initially getting the kind of proportions right. So I'm thinking about the ear canal, I'm thinking about the ear lobe. This is a late middle-aged man's ear, by the way. No earrings or anything like that. So I'm just getting a kind of shapes around. It's very organic shape an ear is. So these are the kind of different things in it. And basically that is it really. The rest of it is just tone. So that's the kind of proportion you'd have your hair, like there maybe. So the rest is tone and pressure. So we'll just work into this. So I'm just going around the ear first and so on. So it's still looking quite cartoon-like at the moment, but it will look a bit more realistic in a minute. I'm just using the hair here to make it much better proportioned. So mae 'na lot o cysgod yn fan'na. Long brush. Working into the proportions a bit more here, just trying to make some of those lines a bit more definite. So when you're shading, try and go in the direction of the shape. Just trim into down i'r siap. I'm just using a range of different pencils now, so gyda hwn dwi'n defnyddio'r pencil pedwar H. So it's quite a light pencil, this. And I'll go over it with a darker pencil in a minute. So this bit here, I'm just using a burnishing tool, which is like a lollipop stick, which just helps me smudge it a little bit. You know, most of these shapes are quite organic. Each year is completely different to the other. So I'm just focused on what bits are in shadow and what bits are not in shadow. Okay, so that's the study of ears done. So mae hwnna'n lluniau o clustiau wedi cael ei wneud. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you find it useful. It's just practice, practice, practice. Okay, diolch yn fawr.